Good morning and welcome to your daily news briefing for Thursday, 2nd July 2026. I'm bringing you the biggest stories from India and around the world, covering politics, the economy, international affairs, technology, society, and sports. Let's begin with the headlines. Top headlines. India launches a new rural employment program, replacing the long-running MGNREGS scheme. Several rule changes come into effect from 1st July, impacting LPG prices, passport services, Aadhaar updates and banking. The India Meteorological Department forecasts below normal rainfall for July. India and Japan deepen strategic cooperation through high-level talks in New Delhi. Fuel sale restrictions have been lifted as domestic supply conditions improve. The FIFA World Cup 2026 knockout stage delivers high-stakes encounters. Extreme heatwaves continue to affect several countries across Europe and North America. Now, the news in detail. New Rural Employment Scheme. The Government of India has introduced a new rural employment program, replacing the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, commonly known as MGNREGS. The new initiative is expected to focus on long-term development projects and broader employment opportunities in rural areas. Why does this matter? For nearly 2 decades, MGNREGS has been one of India's most important social welfare programs, providing employment support to millions of households. Any major policy change in this area could have a significant impact on rural incomes, migration, and local economies. Major changes from 1st July. Several new rules have come into force from the first day of July. Commercial LPG cylinder prices have been revised, passport service charges have changed, Aadhaar-related services have been updated, and certain banking regulations have also been modified. These changes affect millions of citizens, businesses and service users across the country. Experts say consumers should check the latest rules to understand how these updates may impact their finances and documentation requirements. Monsoon Update. The India Meteorological Department has projected that rainfall during July may remain below normal, even though weather conditions could improve over the coming days. The monsoon is critical for India's agricultural sector, food production and water availability. A weak monsoon can influence crop output and may also affect inflation and rural incomes. Officials are closely monitoring rainfall patterns as the season progresses. India-Japan Strategic Talks. India and Japan have held important discussions focused on strengthening cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The talks covered areas including economic partnerships, regional security, and strategic coordination. The relationship between the two countries has become increasingly important in recent years, particularly in areas such as infrastructure, technology, and supply chain resilience. Analysts believe deeper cooperation between India and Japan could have a significant influence on the broader Asian region. Fuel sales return to normal. The Indian government has lifted temporary restrictions on the sale of petrol and diesel after supply conditions improved. The restrictions had been introduced amid concerns over global energy disruptions. The latest decision is expected to ease worries about fuel availability and support transportation and industrial activity. Technology Update. India's technology market is witnessing fresh product launches and price revisions. Several smartphone brands have adjusted prices, while new tablets and gaming devices are entering the market. Industry observers say pricing changes continue to reflect global supply chain conditions and increasing competition within the consumer electronics sector. FIFA World Cup 2026. The FIFA World Cup 2026 knockout stage is gathering momentum with several major teams fighting for a place in the next round. Fans across the world are closely following the tournament as traditional football powers and emerging teams battle for a chance to lift the trophy. The competition continues to attract one of the largest global audiences in sporting history. Global heatwave concerns. Several countries in Europe and North America are experiencing intense heat waves and unusually high temperatures. Authorities have issued warnings regarding public health, energy demand and pressure on infrastructure. Climate experts say extreme weather events are increasingly becoming a major global challenge, highlighting the need for stronger adaptation and resilience measures. Those were the top stories this morning. For more verified news from India and around the world, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.